Welcome to Math Simplified for 9th standard. We are studying the third chapter, Algebra. We have come to the fourth exercise, exercise 3.4. Please subscribe and share with your friends also. So, we are going to study about algebraic identities or formulas. So, these are identities which will help us to either expand or factorize a polynomial. So, first one is a plus b the whole square. This is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b the whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. A minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. X plus a into x plus b, where x is a variable and a is a constant. A and b are constants. So x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b x plus ab. Now these four identities are based on the first two identities. So if you know the first identity, you can write down the fifth one also. So from this, what do you understand? A square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. They are taking 2ab on the other side. So here it is. Okay. And from this, what do you understand? A square plus b square is equal to a minus b whole square plus 2ab. So we got two extra formulas for a square plus b square. Okay. So in place of b, if there is 1 upon a, again you can substitute b as 1 upon a and write down the formulas. So these are all, if you know these two formulas, you can easily do these two. You don't need to memorize them. But definitely you have to memorize these four formulas. Next one is a plus b plus c the whole square. So this is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. Okay. Next one is x plus a into x plus b into x plus c. This is x cube plus a plus b plus c into x square. So what is the coefficient of x square? A plus b plus c. Plus, then multiply a and b. AB plus BC plus CA into x. Okay. So what's the coefficient of x? AB plus BC plus CA. Okay. Plus here the last term is A into B into C. So this is the identity. This is the formula. So once again, x plus a into x plus b into x plus c is x cube plus a plus b plus c into x square plus ab plus bc plus ca into x plus abc. Okay. Now the 11th one is a plus b the whole cube. This is very simple. This is a cube plus 3 into a square b plus 3 into b square a plus b cube. Okay. From this itself, you can write down these two formulas. So here, supposing we take out 3ab common here, we can write it like this. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. We have taken 3ab common and put a plus b in the bracket. Okay. Or a cube plus b cube is equal to, if you take this on the other side and take out a plus b common, you will be left with this in the bracket. So this is also a formula which can be written if you know this one. So make sure you are memorizing this properly, and you can write it, or if you want, you can even memorize these two also. You can use it in your examples. So here a minus b whole cube, again it is simple, a cube minus 3a square b. It's minus 3a square b plus 3b square a minus b cube, or a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab, take it out common. What is left is a minus b in the bracket. Okay, a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. 13th one is a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca is equal to a cube plus 3b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, if we put this as 0, whole expression becomes 0, and a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is 0. That means a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. We will do lot of sums on this, so it will become very clear, don't worry. But make sure you learn all the identities, all the formulas well. Okay, the first sum. Expand 2x plus 3y plus 4z in the brackets whole square. So first we have to think and write down the general form. This was the general identity. A plus b plus c the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So first write it down like this. Then very simple. Just compare. What is a? 2x. B is 3y. C is 4z. So in this is equal to, write down in place of a 2x. So you get 2x square like this. A square, in place of a we are writing 2x. B we are going to write 3y. So 3y square. In place of c we are going to write 4z. Okay. Here also plus 2a. A is 2x, b is 2y plus 2 into b c. So this is b, this is c, and this is c, and this is a. So write down. So here in this general formula you have written down, substitute the values with the given values like this. Now you open these brackets. So what is 2x whole square? It is 4x square. What is 3y whole square? That is 9y square. 4z whole square, 4 4s are 16, 16z square. This is 2 into 2, 4, 4 3s are 12, 12xy. So similarly 2 3s are into 4 is 24yz, 2 into 4 into 2 is 16 zx. Okay, here is another sum. So here is a negative number. Let's see how to do this. So write down the general formula, a plus b plus c the whole square is equal to this. Now what is the value of a? It is minus p. B is 2q and c is 3r. So substitute here, minus p square plus 2q whole square plus 3r whole square plus 2 into minus p into 2q plus 2 into 2q into 3r. Just substitute the values of b and c here. Okay, and then you open these brackets, you will get the answer. Okay, very important step is that you should write the general formula correctly without any mistake. Then it is very easy. You just have to substitute the general formula values with the actual value which is given in the sum. Okay, third sum. 2p plus 3 into 2p minus 4 into 2p minus 5. So what is the general formula? We have to write like this. You know this. X plus a into x plus b into x plus c is equal to x cube plus a plus b plus c x square, ab plus bc plus cax plus abc. So okay. So what is the value of a? 3. B is minus 4. Be careful here with the signs also. And c is minus 5. And this x is 2p. So put down this value. Where x is, you should write down 2p. So 2p whole cube plus a plus b plus c. So what is 3 plus minus 4 plus minus 5? 3 minus 5 minus 5 minus 4 minus 5 into x square. So x is 2p, so 2p write in brackets whole square. Okay, now put a big bracket. Now we are going to do AB. AB is 3 into minus 4, 3 into minus 4, minus 4 into minus 5 plus minus 5 into plus 3 into x, so 2p, and then plus a, b, c. So 3 into minus 4 into minus 5. Now you open these brackets, you will get these values, and this is the answer. Okay. Expand the same type of sum again. So you write down the general formula like this. What is the value of a? 1, b is minus 2, c is 4, and x is 3a. So wherever x is there, replace it by 3a. Wherever a, b, c are there, write 1, minus 2 and 4, replace it, and then solve it. You will get the answer. So you can see how important it is to know the formula. Okay, make sure you are learning the formulas well. Once you know the formula, you can do any sum. Question 2. Using algebraic identities, find the coefficient of x square, x, and constant term without actual expansion. X plus 5 into x plus 6 into x plus 7. Write down the general formula like this. Okay. Now we have to, when we compare with this general formula, we find that a is equal to 5, b is equal to 6, and c is equal to 7. Write it down. Coefficient of x square is a plus b plus c. Add it. 18 is the answer. Coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x is a into b plus b into c plus c into a. Do this. Simplify it. You get answer 107. And the constant is a into b into c. You get the answer as 210. Same type of sum. Write down the general identity, and then here you have to be careful. In place of x, it is 2x. Okay, and here a is 3, b is minus 5, and c is minus 6. So coefficient of x square here is a plus b plus c. Okay, but here x is what? X is 2x. So when we do whole square, it becomes 4x square. Okay, so a plus b plus c, whatever answer you get, multiplied by 4 is the coefficient of x square. So see here, coefficient of x square is a plus b plus c. So this is a plus b plus c multiplied by 4 is equal to minus 32 is the coefficient of x square. Okay. Similarly here, in place of x, if I put 2x, the coefficient of x will be this whole thing multiplied by 2. So solve it, do AB plus BC plus CA, and then multiply it by 2, you will get the answer as minus 6. A into B into C is the constant, multiply A 3 into minus 5 into minus 6, you will get the answer. If x plus a into x plus b into x plus c is equal to this, find the value of a plus b plus c. Okay, so this is the general formula. Okay, so a plus b plus c is the coefficient of x square. So what is the coefficient of x square in the sum? 14. So 14 is the first answer. Second is find 1 upon a plus 1 upon b plus 1 upon c. First do the LCM and write it down like this. Okay, now AB plus BC plus CA is the coefficient of x, that is 59. So put 59 here. A into B into C is the constant term, 70. So this is the coefficient of x, 59. This is constant ABC, 70. So put substitute here, you'll get the answer. For third, a square plus b square plus c square, write down this formula. Okay, and if you take out 2 common here, in the bracket it will be AB plus BC plus CA. That's it. So what do you get? A square plus B square plus C square is this minus 2 into AB plus BC plus CA. So A plus B the whole square is 14 square. We found it. And AB plus BC plus CA is 59. Substitute, we'll get the answer. So this third one, we have to go to the another identity. This one, you have to use this. Take out 2 common and then you will get the answer. Okay. Now this sum, again these are fractions. Add the fractions. Find the LCM and you'll get this expression. And then you know this value we just now found. ABC we know and you'll get the answer. Expand. These are all simple sums. Just write down the general formula for this and substitute A as 3A, B as 4B and write it down. You'll get the answer. Here also x cube plus 3x square into 1 upon y plus 3x into 1 upon y whole square plus 1 upon y cube. Open the brackets, you'll get the answer. These are all general formulas. Here we will substitute 98 as 100 minus 2 and apply this formula. Wherever A is there, write down 100. Wherever B is there, write down 2 and then solve it, you will get the answer. This we will write it as 1000 plus 1 and expand this with the help of general formula, you will get this answer. Okay. X plus y plus z is equal to 9 and xy plus yz plus zx is equal to 26. Find the value of this. So write down this identity. Okay, write it down. So this they've given as 9. So this is 9 square. This we have to find out. Leave it as it is. Take out 2 common. So what is left is in the bracket. This will be left in the bracket. Put that as 26. Solve this, you will get the answer. Question 7. Find 27a cube plus 64b cube if 3a plus 4b is equal to 10 and ab is equal to 2. Okay. So here this is a general formula. Okay. Now substitute this a as 3a. Okay. 3a and b as 4b. So be careful because both the values are a only. So don't make any mistake here. Or you could, other way you can do is write down this general formula in form of x. Like x plus y the whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. If you write it like that, and then you can, without any mistake, you can substitute x as 3a and y as 4b. Okay. I've kept it as it is, but carefully I'm substituting. Wherever this small a is, I'm writing 3a, 4b. So here I'm writing 3a, 4b. This small a I'm writing 3a, 4b, 3a plus 4b. Okay. Once you have substitute, now it's easy. Now open the bracket. This becomes 36ab, 27a cube plus 64b cube plus 36ab into 3a plus 4b. Now substitute all these values. So here it is 10 cube. Okay, this we have to find out. Here AB we know 2, it's given. 3a plus 4b is 10. Now solve it, you'll get the answer. Find x cube minus y cube if x minus y is equal to 5 and xy is equal to 4. So write down the general formula. Okay, this is the general formula. Now substitute y, x minus y and xy here. Solve it. You'll get the answer. 9. If a plus 1 upon a is equal to 6, then find the value of a cube plus 1 upon a cube. So this is the general formula. write it in terms, write a as a and b as 1 upon a. Write it down, simplify it, you get like this. So now substitute this value as 6. Solve it, you'll get the answer. 10. If x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 23, find the value of x plus 1 upon x and x cube plus 1 upon x cube. Okay, so 1 upon, they're asking us to find x plus 1 upon x. So what is the formula for this? A plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. That formula I have put here. Solve it, this x and x will cancel. So you get like this. Okay, so here x square plus 1 upon x square is 23. Substitute here, plus 2 is 25. So x plus 1 upon x whole square is equal to 25. So x plus 1 upon x is 5. So this is the first answer. Now we have to find the cube. Okay, so write down the formula. Solve it, substitute, you got the value of x plus 1 upon x, substitute here, get the answer. If y minus 1 upon y whole cube is 27, then find the value. Okay, first write down the formula and see. Y minus 1 upon y whole cube is equal to y cube minus 1 upon y cube minus 3 into y into 1 upon y into y minus 1 upon y. Okay, now this will cancel, y into 1 upon y will cancel. We are left with 3 into y minus 1 upon y, like this. Now what is y minus 1 upon y? It is 3, because this whole cube is 27. So y minus 1 upon y is 3. Write 27 on LHS. So this is equal to 27 plus 9, that is 36. Simplify this expression, write down the identity. Okay, so if you compare, what do you get? What is the value of a here? 2a, b is 3b and c is 4c. Okay, put it on the RHS. RHS is what? Write in place of a, write down 2a, in place of b, write down 3b, in place of c, write down 4c. Here also, this is RHS of this expression. Okay, now open the brackets, you get the answer. Okay, the same type of sum. Okay, first write down the identity. What is the value of a here? X. B is minus 2y, C is 3z. So write down minus 3 into x into minus 2y into 3z. Solve this, you will get the answer. By using identities, evaluate the following. So 7 cube minus 10 cube plus 3 cube. So this is the one of the identity. If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3 into a into b into c. Okay. Now let us check. Here the value of a is 7, b is minus 10, c is 3. Add it. Is it 0? Yes, it is 0. So 7 cube minus 10 cube plus 3 cube is equal to 3 into a, that is 7, B is minus 10, C is 3. Now multiply this, you will get the answer. Okay, so the same identity. Okay, here the value of A is 1, B is 1 upon 2, and C is minus 3 upon 2. Add and see, we get 0. Therefore, this is equal to 3 into A into B and into C. So 3 into 1 upon 2 into minus 3 by 2. Solve it, you will get minus 9 by 4. If this is 0, then find. So they've given that it is 0. That means this is equal to 3 into A into B into C. So here A is 2x, B is minus 3y, C is minus 4z. So 3 into 2x into minus 3y into minus 4z. That is equal to 72xyz is the answer. Here we come to the end of the video. Please go through the video once again, pause the video in each sum and practice them.